Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. This is incredible. The new upcoming budget king phone, the Samsung Galaxy A37, could finally deliver a real performance upgrade, with Samsung's own Powerful Exynos chipset and other top upgrades. This would mark a significant shift for the A3X series. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. A strategic shift for Samsung's mid-range lineup. Samsung's Galaxy A37 might be the phone to launch in March 2026, alongside the Galaxy A57 super sub-flagship. Industry analysis suggests that it could feature the powerful Exynos 1580 processor. This would mark a significant shift for the A3X series. The move would address years of performance stagnation. According to tech analysts, the chip upgrade would be the most substantial for the series in years. Recent Galaxy A3X models have shown little performance growth. The Galaxy A34, A35, and A36 use different chips with similar power. This includes the Dimensity 1080 and Exynos 1380 chipsets. The new Samsung Exynos 1580, currently in the Galaxy A56, is a notable step up. It delivers a smooth, near-flagship user experience. This performance boost would be immediately noticeable to users upgrading from older models like the A34. A strategic shift for Samsung's mid-range lineup. Adopting the Exynos 1580 would represent a strategic decision. It would align the A3X series closer to the more premium A5X line. This creates a clearer performance hierarchy for consumers. The potential benefits for users are clear. They would get a much faster phone for a likely similar price. This makes the Galaxy A37 a highly anticipated device for budget-conscious buyers seeking power. For Galaxy A34 users and others with older models, the Galaxy A37 with an Exynos 1580 chip would represent the meaningful upgrade they have been waiting for. This potential move could redefine value in the competitive mid-range smartphone market. It is expected that Samsung's new Galaxy A37 might be the phone to launch in March 2026, alongside the Galaxy A57 super sub-flagship. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.